And in the first slide, logical operators in Python. Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn about logical operators in Python. Logical operators are used to combine multiple conditions. They help Python make smarter decisions by checking whether multiple statements are true or false. The three main logical operators are AND, or not. AND is used and returns true only if both conditions are true, or returns true if at least one condition is true. Not reverses the result. True becomes false and false becomes true. Let's understand with example. This is the example which is shown in the slide. If age is greater than 18 and has ID card, true only if both are correct. If not raining, true when it's not raining. Logical operators are mainly used in login systems, eligibility checks, decision making, and conditional statements. Slide 2 explains about and or not with examples. Now let's see practical examples. Examples for and. Age is equals to 20 has ID is equals to true. Age greater than 18 has ID. Output will become true because both conditions are true. For example, or marks equals to 895, sports quota is equals to false. Marks greater than 80 or sports quota, then output will become true because one condition is true. Example for not raining is raining is equals to false, not raining is not raining. Then output will become true because reverses false to the true. Quick recap and both must be true or at least one true, not is equals to output opposite to the result. And slide 3 explains about the assignment operators in Python. Now let's move to the assignment operators. Assignment operators are used to assign values to variables. The most common assignment operator is equals to sign. We all use it regularly. Example x is equals to 10. This means Python stores x 10 inside x. Python also has shortcut assignment operators. Plus equals to and minus equals to, multiply equals to, divide equals to. For example, x is equals to 10, x plus equals to 5. Now the output will become like the value of the x will become 15 because 5 is added to the value, like current value is added to the past value of the x. Assignment operators are useful for updating scores, counting values, loop calculations, and managing data efficiently. As usual, slide 4 explains about the logical versus assignment operators. Let's understand the difference. Logical operators use it to check conditions, example, age greater than 18 and has ID, result true or false. Assignment operators use it to store or update values, example, x is equals to 10, x plus equals to 5, results x becomes 15. Think of it like this: logical is equals to decision making, assignment is equals to value storing or update. Quick recap as we done in the slide 2. And today you learned about the logical operators and or not, assignment operators, and shortcut assignments. These operators are very useful for writing smarter Python programs. In the next lesson, you can move to conditional statements like if, else, and elif. Until then, keep practicing and happy coding.